Hey team, this is Brian 890. I am here with Leo's Rheem furnace that we will be replacing with an Infinity Carrier 90,000 BTU. Just a basement upflow access furnace. His humidifier is modern, so we're going to be reinstalling the current humidifier. Just a couple quick things. We'll be leaving the coil as it is, but we will be, it's a current 35-inch high furnace. We'll be replacing with another 35-inch high, but we'll be including a bottom box. But as you can see, in between the coil and the furnace, there's about 6 inches of fabrication here. So we'll be just using that space for that bottom box. We're also be replacing the chimney liner. So we have a 4-inch chimney liner going about 25 feet up. He has his water heater coming into a different access point, but we'll have to penetrate through that to include the new chimney liner. Besides that, everything's pretty standard. We have normal access, just one small flight of stairs going down with normal sized doors, but there is an access point right here too. 890 out.